Okay, so if you follow along the video, you guys should be up and running at this point. If not, a couple other considerations. We replace cables very frequently at the office, so I wanted to point out a couple things you guys could also check. Also might be a reason you guys maybe want to put a spare cable or two in with every truck. So the first thing I wanted to hit real quick is on your mast. There's a small tab underneath. We find these do get broken from time to time. So when you guys are checking your setups or before you head out to a big project, you guys might pull off your mast, check to see if this tab's broken off. That might be one place that may be causing you radio issues. Additionally, there's an O-ring underneath this 0 dB antenna. You want to make sure this connection's good. So those would be two things on the mast I'd recommend taking a look at. That tab interfaces with the top of your puck. There's a couple different styles. Vector sells this cable. I like the fact that when you mount it, gravity is working in your favor. This TNC connection, we want to bend this cable as little as possible. They do wear out, and this coax cable is one we replace frequently. So when the mast mounts, that tab needs to interface with the top of this center puck. So this might be one place that may be causing you radio link issues. And then lastly, probably number one cable we sell, power data cable. So this will run from your base battery, comes up from runs from your base head to the TDL radio, and this is where your correction is flowing from. So what you want to check on these is the pins inside. So the one that interfaces with the radio and the 7-pin LEMO that interfaces with the base. We can typically tell when companies hire new crews because they're coming down shortly thereafter and replacing cables, and we're finding a bunch of them with broken pins. All of these are straight push in and pull out. We can tell it's a new crew. Guys are trying to twist them and shear off the pins. So you might also want to check the inside of your cables, make sure all your pins are there.